What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and I mean, say attack. Some of viewers and subscribers, hear what me I say right now, my people. Slickiana, go on sleep in a peace, baby girl. Because right now, me not say rip, you know. Me I say go on sleep in a peace. Because you're not going to rest in peace, Slickiana, until this sin thing finally gets sent away. So we are talking about this wicked sin thing named Rushane, Barnett when in custody pertaining to the murder of Slickiana, my viewers and subscribers. So, what go on now, my people? Court go on, you know. Court go on recently, my people. And you know, say the liar, you understand we are representing this something, you know. Basically, this liar cry out, and I say like, him client not safe, and Wally or something like she basically I say them to let out her client. And me as a people, it's the liar come like Hitler. No art. No leniency, my people. Me know see how them work them a do, and me know see how so them tan, my people. But all when the evidence them did and the evidence them prove and say, look at the man, the same thing managed to take out the girl 3 points to people. The same thing would have confessed to it. Admit say do it. But the liar still I go come forward and say no do it. What kind of liar them here? Eh? So now my viewers and subscribers, liar going to court. You liar say now, oh my client, they're trying to get rid of my client because they blend glasses and put it in cornmeal porridge and give him to eat. My client is not safe, he's at risk. And right now my client got to do some surgery because in his throat, everything, you know, splinter could be in his throat and all of that. So right now, he's not safe. And the evidence that you all have against him, you only have evidence on camera, but you don't have no eyewitness that could come and talk. Liar, shut your mouth. Remember, say one security guard in the place. I remember the security guard chat a lot of things and a bag of things. So how you are going to say this now, liar? Hey, Crawler, how comes you are going to say this now, Crawler? Tell me now. How you are going to say this now? Eh? That's how me I tell my people. Them liars sin thing and some of them too cruel and heartless, man. Eh? Look at the nice girl. What the sin thing take out the people. Eh? Me remember the days, you know, when funeral and Slickiana bury, you know, my people. And you see your mommy cry out for your daughter, you know. And you see how much people are mourning, you know, my people. And now, everybody that expects, because this happened from way in the last year, everybody that expects that this is a sin thing and get rid of and done with, my people. But the same thing still a battle in a court. Eh? You know much lie, the same thing manage to tell her, look, we have to come out, my people, and look, excuses. And one thing I can say, my people, who put the buckle in there, you know what I say, big up on yourself. Me have to big up, but me just sorry say, we don't could have put something else. We have the grammar. Eh? We don't could have find a grammar. Me think so if we don't find some good grammar and put it in there, that work out, you know. You understand our son rat pies? You understand? Yeah, man. We don't could have find some of that so look powder, rat pie powder, and dash in it. Yes. Any wicked sin thing like them, yeah, they don't deserve no chance to be among society, my people. I'm not afraid, I'm not scared to attack them sin thing, yeah. Them all nasty this year. I say I'm not afraid, my people, because them too heartless, them too wicked, and them too cruel and vicious. You understand? All of them sin thing are the attacking boss attack them. Eh? Them not thinking, you know, when them have the heart, my people. You understand? If you take out people, girl pick the 3 points and do what them do and slack and dash them when they feel like dash them, my people. They don't have no heart. But now, you want people to sorry for them, yeah? Me not sorry for it. You understand, my people? As me say, them need to good. I say, I'm sorry. And then look a rat sin thing, my people, for get rid of it and deal with it. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, as me have to say, big up on yourself. More love, more blessing, and more respect, my people. But on a real level, me just sorry. See, I never saw a rat sitting there putting it, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe, my people. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. But this is the same thing, yeah? Me nah no art, my people. Me nah no leniency, nothing to it, my people. A straight attack feet. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Peace out, my people. Blessings. Big up.